looking at the town of Nakusp. Probably not pronouncing that correctly, but that's what I'm doing. See an old abandoned freighter out there. Looks like a tugboat, actually. Like a ferry boat, maybe. Anyway, I thought it was interesting, so I decided to take a look at it. Not much else happening here. Smoke continues. And we're heading towards Bahamas Beach. Should make that in a couple hours and have a whole day of rest tomorrow. So looking forward to that. You can hear the helicopters in the background fighting the fires over there. And smoke's been heavy right now. It's been the best it's been all day. Got a couple miles visibility, which is great. Hey guys, it's John. I'm out here on my Columbia River trip, Source to Sea 2018. And as you can see, the smoke's really bad today, so I'm taking my buff and pulling it up over my face here. And you can smell the smoke in the air for sure. I just take this off and get it wet in the water and then put it on, and it works great. I also have a mask when it's really bad. To do that, but I've been paddling. We're on Upper Arrow Lake, and I left a really beautiful waterfall in a creek this morning, and I've been paddling now for about 3 hours. And on the way I saw a black bear, so I got some footage of that. That was pretty cool. But today's gonna be smoky, hazy. The helicopters are going back and forth today, so not much really to see here. Lots of camping on this lower part. I'm just north of Nakusp, and I think there's lots of camping on both sides of the river because I can see big sand beaches and stuff, so like this one over here to my right. Put that out for you. So big sandy spots, great. There's always some sort of little shelf there that you can camp on. So always a place to find camping here, especially Arrow Lake. What the I guess the philosophy is here for BC Hydro is they draw down Kinbasket, which was down at least 30 feet. They keep Revelstoke up, which was almost full, and then Arrow Lake here is down, I'd say probably 20 feet. So that's their strategy, and makes for great camping with all these sand beaches and stuff. So no reason not to come out to the Columbia here. It's just gorgeous. You know, fire season's not the best time of year, but I've been out here in September when it's crystal clear and you can see for miles. You can see all the way down Arrow Lake, 20 plus miles. So today I'm heading to Bahamas Beach, which is big sandy beach, and gonna spend the night there, and then I'm gonna take a rest day there, and then after that I'm gonna head out, and it's about 70 miles of roadless area until I get to Castlegar and Keenly Side Dam. So if something comes up, I'll wake the camera up and give you a look-see.